This is my review on the Kokatat Life Jackets. I love the bright colors and the bright strips they have in the front and the back. They are very well made and I feel very safe and secure with these life jackets. This is the men's, and now I'm wearing the women's, and it has a lot of pockets to keep your belongings safe and secure. And in these pockets there's also rings that you can attach your keys or a whistle so you don't lose them. And also there is a pocket for your cell phone or radio. This jacket is also super adjustable. There are 3 fasteners on each side and 2 on the top. So this would fit someone from a teenager to a grown adult. And it is very comfortable, lots of breathing room. You can definitely adjust it to your size, and it's very easy to remove with the zipper in the front and then the clasp around the waist, which is also adjustable. I highly recommend it. It's a beautiful jacket, very well made.